Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to enable your Wi-Fi on your OmniBook HP X. So to do that, first thing you just open settings. So you should check is your Wi-Fi connected just right here, and sometimes you just can enable or disable it here in control panel, but there is a different way to do that. Just opening start menu by clicking this button on the same button on your keyboard. Then click settings. In settings, find your network and internet. And here you will see the Wi-Fi and click on. If your Wi-Fi enabling tumbler is not available, it's just gray and it doesn't interact with you, it means that you have troubles with the drivers and you should install Wi-Fi drivers. You can do it manually, just using your smartphone, for example, drivers in the internet for your wireless device, or you can just connect your device with Ethernet cable from your Wi-Fi router, for example, and in this way your device will automatically download Wi-Fi drivers on your PC. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.